Hey everybody, we are on Unit 2, Week 1. This week's spelling is the long I and the short I. So you're going to want to underline the spelling words in each sentence. You're going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences, that you use 5 words from our spelling list. Okay, make sure that you use complete sentences, capital letters, periods, and don't forget to underline the words you use. Quickly flip over to... Now let's go to the last one right here. I don't want you to follow the full directions here. It says write each sentence with quotations and a comma. The comma is here in some of these. So if we need to, we'll add it. But we're just going to add the quotes for what the person said. Like in number 1, Michael Jordan said, earn your leadership every day. What is it that Michael Jordan said? Earn your leadership every day. Number 2, mistakes are proof that you are trying, my teacher stated. What is it that the teacher said? Mistakes are proof you are trying. Very good. And the comma's already there. The principal announced, we will use school funds to purchase the new books. Who's the speaker? The principal, right. And what is it that he said or she said? We will use school funds to purchase the new books. Very good. Make sure that period's in there. It's hard to see it on my picture. So there you have it, Unit 2, Week 1. And when you are finished with number 4 and you have everything else done, you can drop it in the basket. Make sure you put your name on it so you get full credit. See you later. Over to the other side, and you are going to want to do the sort. Remember, you want to sort these words so that they are in the correct box. Long I's go here, short I's here. Remember, these are other words that you know. Some maybe from your brain or maybe words that your parents have talked about. There should be 2 here, and there should be 2 here. These words are words that are not on our list. So let's go back to the list and let's look at the first word. The first word is admitted. Admitted. That is the short I. We put it right here. And then we underline the sound that makes the short I. The next word is lying. Lying. What letter makes the long I sound? Right there. Alrighty. Finish off your list. You have 8 words that should be put here somewhere. Now we're going to move to column number 2. This is the vocabulary. If you don't have Unit 2, Week 1 vocabulary in your notebook, you can go to Language in Schoology and Unit 2, Week 1. Unit 2, Week 1. Vocabulary should be there. Don't forget, once you've got a copy, to also hand it in so you can get full credit. The blank queen had to be the fairest of all. Which one of these words would fit in there? Proud might be good. Arrogant, that's better. Arrogant. And make sure you're spelling it correctly. All right, we're going to do the grammar here on this side right here. And instead of using a red pen, you're going to use a pencil. And you're going to put the quotation marks in and the comma that belong. Easiest way to do that is to read what is said here, figure out who the speaker is, and what was it that came out of the speaker's mouth. I would like cupcakes for my birthday, commented Gabby. Who is the speaker? Gabby. And what is it that Gabby said? Gabby said, I would like cupcakes for my birthday. And then you put the comma on the inside of the quotes. Jordan asked, "Are you coming to my soccer game tomorrow?" Who is the speaker? The speaker is Jordan. And what is it that Jordan said? Jordan had a question and said, "Are you coming to my soccer game tomorrow?" And there's the end of your quote. This is important. You should capitalize the "are" in that sentence. Number 3, Art reached for the iPad. It's my turn to play now. Who's the speaker? Art is the speaker, correct. And what is it that Art said? Be careful on this one. Good. Art said, "It's my turn to play now." Comma, quotation, capitalize the "it's," and end your quote there. "Today would be a great day to go swimming," said Moby. Who's the speaker? The speaker is Moby, right. And what is it that Moby said? Moby said, "Today would be a great day to go swimming," comma, end quote. The last one, number 5, try on your own.